Hey everybody, Joshua here on the YouTubes. Today we look at 5 great areas around Asheville to buy land. Whether you're looking to build your dream house, a cabin in the mountains, or start a small homestead, these areas are close to all that Asheville has to offer but seem miles away. Thank you for coming along. Riceville is a quaint mountain community just east of Asheville. It is nestled into a valley next to the Blue Ridge Parkway and home to Warren Wilson College. The median sales price in the Riceville area was around $130,000. Fairview is a small town about 11 miles southeast of Asheville with a population of around 2,700. This agrarian community was originally settled in the late 1700s. Fairview has rolling farmland surrounded by mountains where you can find green communities, organic farms, and creameries, and local breweries and restaurants. The median sale price of land in Fairview over the last 12 months was around $60,000. Bat Cave is a community along the banks of the Broad River in the Hickory Nut Gorge in Henderson County, around 20 miles from Asheville. The community was named after the nearby cave and 186-acre preserve, which is inhabited by several species of bats, including the endangered Indiana bat. It is the largest known granite fissure cave in the world. You're going to have to look up granite fissure caves to figure out what they are. Bat Cave is home to incredible outdoor amenities, waterfalls, wineries, and nearby Chimney Rock State Park. The median sales price of land in Bat Cave was around $50,000. Pisgah Forest is a popular retirement area about 45 minutes from Asheville in Transylvania County. If you're looking for adventure, Pisgah Forest is an outdoor wonderland with plenty of hiking, kayaking, trout fishing, some of the best mountain biking in the country, and more waterfalls than you can count. Pisgah Forest borders the Pisgah National Forest and is right down the road from DuPont State Forest. The median sales price of land in Pisgah Forest was around $58,000. Leicester has a population of around 13,000, and although it's minutes from West Asheville, it feels worlds away. Leicester has a great blend of gently rolling farmland and mountains, with old farmhouses and new green communities intermingling. Leicester is home to many local cultural events, a vineyard, farm stands, and a good number of wedding venues. The median sales price for land in Leicester was around $59,000. Thank you for watching. Please see the notes down below for more information, and as always, do not hesitate to reach out should you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the subscriber button, and we'll see you next time.